With our multi-line configurator, you can easily configure your customized multi-line connector. The Eisele multi-line is a versatile and easy-to-use modular kit system for multiple connectors. It combines multiple tube connections and operating media in one connector. After you start the configurator, all you have to do is to select the multi-line components that you need in 5 easy steps. First, select the required size and the possible functions. In the next step, select the desired version of the body. Third step, select your adaptive inserts. The maximum number of inserts you can choose is limited to the number of holes on the selected multi-line size of the body. A filter helps you to find the suitable inserts. Click on one of the displayed adaptive inserts and you will receive detailed information and the option to choose the desired quantity and place your selection in the basket. After confirming your selection, the chosen components will be displayed at the top of the page. You can click on your selection to delete or edit it. You can also make changes to the adaptive inserts at the bottom of the displayed page. Step 4. Select the material and the number of holes in the base body. You can either choose base bodies with as many holes as the number of inserts you selected, or base bodies with more holes for reserve capacities. Fifth step. You can select any accessories you may need. You can go back to previous selection steps by clicking the steps in the header or the back button of your browser. The selection steps following the one you click will be deleted. However, you can undo this by clicking your browser's back button and then continue with the previous configuration. After completing these 5 steps, you will see an overview of the multi-line components you selected. In the overview, you can change the number of plugs and sockets for the base body and select multiple components of the selected configuration. The number of inserts is adjusted automatically. If you wish to change your selection, then follow the directions under Selection Steps. When you are satisfied with the overview, click Confirm and Continue. Now you can send a non-binding inquiry. An online shop for direct purchase is under construction. This is possible for both registered users and visitors. You will receive an offer as soon as possible.